Step 15, install T-slot wasteboard. During this step, you'll be attaching the T-track to the XCarve Pro frame, then installing MDF sections that include threaded inserts. Part 1. Attach T-slot tracks to the XCarve Pro frame. Lay out the 3 T-slot tracks across the frame so that they run parallel to the Y-axes. Align each T-slot track so that the slotted holes are at the center of the 4x4 frame or the rear for the 4x2 frame of the machine. And make sure the screw holes are aligned to the threaded holes in the cross members. Install 6 M5x16 socket head screws through each T-track slot into the cross members and tighten using your torque wrench set to 4.5 Newton meters. Part 2. Attach clamp rests to the outer T-slot tracks. The thin strips of MDF attach to the outside of the Y1 and the Y2 T-slot tracks. They allow for the clamps to rest on top when securing material to the XCarve Pro. Attach each clamp rest to the outside T-slot tracks using 2 M5x16 button head screws and a 3mm Allen key. Now these MDF components do not need to be tightened using the torque wrench. The top side of the MDF clamp rests are flat, while the bottoms have pockets cut out to allow it to sit flush with the Y1 and Y2 axis. Part 3. Attach MDF wasteboards to the T-slot tracks in the XCarve Pro frame. Lay the 2 MDF wasteboards between the T-slot tracks so that the sides that have 2 mounting holes are along the Y-axes and the center T-slot track. Using a 3mm Allen key, thread each of the 12 M5x16 ball head screws into the T-slot frame to ensure that the MDF is properly aligned. Once all screws are threaded, tighten all screws down. Note, be sure to tighten the screws so they are countersunk from the top of the MDF. This will ensure they are snugly mounted to the XCarve Pro and allow for the MDF to be planed. And then if you have the 4x4 machine, you'll repeat this process for the other 2 wasteboards.